I grew up on punk rock music. I never outgrew it. There's a certain DIY ethic to the 80s punk scene that really spoke to me. When the clubs wouldn't let them play, they built their own clubs. And when the record labels wouldn't record their music, they made their own record labels. They made their own zines, they made their own logos, they did their own tours. As a teenager learning to play music, some of my earliest artistic experiences are really punk rock driven. From chopping up pawn shop guitars and covering them with stickers and writing music and recording it to multi-track cassette tape rigs that we made. That's what we did. All these years later, and I'm still the same. I'm still just doing what I want to do the way I want to do it, not what's expected of me. I wouldn't have it any other way. In this video, these songs and these guitars are a tribute to all the other old punk rockers out there who are still just doing their thing the way they want to do it.
This may seem to you a little weird, an acoustic guitar balladeer, singing songs about love and broken hearts. But I assure you that I never meant, nor was it ever my intent, to play the whiny singer-songwriter part. I know that's what I'm doing, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Ponytails and Taylor guitars and a bunch of deep emotional scars. The world is so full of these musicians nowadays. Give me some mohawks and some power chords and some rage and some angst and some moshing hordes, or at least an old Black Flag album to play. I know that I'm just a crooner, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. I still believe in anarchy, just not like it used to be. I know now that we're all way too full of greed. And I still believe that we live in deeds and not in money or in our needs. But I have bills to pay and a family to feed. Call me what you will now, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Listen quite frequently to The Clash and Bad Religion and Operation Ivy. I used to have a punk rock band, the finest in our suburban land, 4 white kids in our singer's mom's garage. But somewhere it all took a turn and I found some new chords and I started to learn some Billy Joel and Chicago and Police and the Cars, Hootie and the Blowfish, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. I bet you don't believe me, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Yeah, I know you don't believe me, but I wish that I still played punk rock guitar. Let's see if I can remember now.
I haven't finished that one yet, but I will get to it soon, and I will share audio of it on Instagram at TimSway1, where I demo all my guitars when they get completed. Hey, thank you very much for watching, and thank you, Thunder Laser. And also, I want to thank Rob over at Gemini Pickups. He and I have been developing our own custom Tim Sway Perspectives, New Perspectives music pickups, and they're made out of reclaimed materials. They're freaking awesome. Go check out Rob Gemini Pickups. There's a link somewhere. And guitars that are made in this style are typically called parts casters because they're really just a bunch of off-the-shelf parts that are relatively inexpensive that you can buy online or just about anywhere. So you can build this guitar without any fancy tools for about $100 in materials all in. I'm going to do videos in the future where I show how to do this without using a CNC machine with just basic hand tools, so look out for that. I also have another video in this Pallet guitar series. I have 2 more bodies over there that I'm doing something completely different with. I hope you will stick around to check that out. And also, like all the other old punk rockers you see downtown, I'm still here on the side of the street begging for spare change over at patreon.com/TimSway. You can support my work there, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this. Be good. Fight the system.